What does my company specialize in? What do we specialize in? What do we bring to the marketplace? It's all designed to help companies with their sales efforts and recruiting efforts. The flagship workshop that we offer is called Retrain Your Sales Brain. And Retrain Your Sales Brain is for commissioned salespeople that have these emotional issues with doing enough prospecting and enough outreach to reach their sales goals. Those issues are titled Sales Call Reluctance issues. We also call them head trash issues. These sales call reluctance issues will actually put somebody's career in cold storage. It will definitely hold their career captive. Sales call reluctance issues, logically, they know they should be making more prospecting calls. They just can't pull the trigger at that moment of truth. And they come up with escape routes. And these escape routes are typically business-related things that don't make them a penny. So this workshop that we've got, which is called Retrain Your Sales Brain, is designed to help people identify their sales call reluctance issues and then help them understand how to get rid of them. We've been seeing phenomenal results from that. At Verizon, their sales force increased their sales 195% after going through this workshop. At Knights of Columbus Insurance, we all know about the Knights of Columbus being a great organization. They have an insurance division, and their agents have reported back to us that they've seen a 36% increase in their commission dollars 6 months after the workshop. So we know there's that lasting effect, if you will. The ROI is there. The other topic that we've connected to the Retrain Your Sales Brain workshop is called Referral Strategies. And that is a gold mine for salespeople. It's underutilized in North America. We think it's the way to go when prospecting. Well, I mean, take that back. We know it's the way to go. Cold calling typically produces a 5% success rate. The big companies that I'm talking to in North America, they're training their salespeople how to demystify the cold call and maybe get that success rate up to 6%. Well, when you know how to work referrals and go back to your account base and leverage those relationships, you're going to have up to a 90% chance of getting appointments with folks that your clients are recommending you reach out to. Thank you very much. I'll take that over the 5%.